I have a question for you. In the last 3 years, what has changed in your work? Has your designation changed? Has your salary changed? Has the way you work changed? Has the systems or processes that you are delivering every day changed? Think about it. If it has not changed, this is high time. 25 years back, I started my company by giving training on CAD/CAM softwares, mechanical engineers. The last 25 years, we have had several manufacturing companies whom we have helped to adopt various technologies. And now we are aggressively adopting AI in different organizations and enterprises. Most of my customers say, with all the 130 plus masterclasses which I've conducted, or the 400 speaking assignments in the last 18 years, why haven't you done anything for mechanical engineers with AI? And hence I thought of designing a very, very unique course. This is AI, one-day course, 8 hours, 4 hours on Saturday and 4 hours on Sunday, exclusively for mechanical engineers. It's a certificate course sponsored by ModelCam Technologies. But most important, why am I telling you this? A year back, I published my third book, AI Unzipped, thanks to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sri Devendra Fadnavis. Over a period of time, the question is, have you been able to upgrade yourself to tech? This course which I have designed, which is exclusively for mechanical engineers, even though you could be, let us say, in a CAD department using SolidWorks, or you could be in production, or you could be in quality, projects, whatever department you are, this course is exclusively designed for you. There are 2 levels for this course. The first level is the core level, which is a 4 hours on a Saturday, where I'm going to teach you how to really adopt AI for your tasks of day-to-day activities. And then the elevate level, where I'm going to tell you how AI is going to help you in your career path, in your next increment, in the next designation that you're planning to do. This is very, very important. The World Economic Forum says by 2030, almost 50% of the tasks in engineering and manufacturing are going to be automated. Now, here comes the most important part. What has been taught? Now, let's come to the point to understand why you should take this course. If you're really happy with your life, consistent with nothing has changed in the last 3 years and want to retire in the same way, please carry on, don't log in or register for this course. All the best to you. If you are really hungry, this course is for typically people between 5 to 15 years of mechanical engineering experience to really elevate their skill on AI. You might know technology on what you are doing, like for example, CAD/CAM softwares or shop floor or operational technology, but you might not know the management side, and hence this course also includes how to learn AI for the management of your company. Over and above, this is going to be an exclusive event. It's very limited because I just have few seats left. We have an entire online workbook. So even if you complete the course, your personal workbook is online. 3 important things. Number 1, whatever you're going to share or do the exercises in this 8 hours, none of the data is going to be on the internet. It's not going to leave your premises, your office premises. So data security is my prime objective. Number 2, very important, all of you will have a ready-made 90-day personal plan after the course ends. And number 3, and most important, each one of you is going to learn tools and techniques and a blueprint which is really going to help you to improve your productivity by almost 25% and reduce your ongoing cost by at least 30% for you and your companies. So if you're a company and you want to sponsor your employees, mechanical engineers from any department, this is a chance. You'll see the results. And if you're an individual, just make this investment and you'll get a certificate, all sponsored by ModelCam Technologies. I'll see you inside the course on 22nd August and 23rd August. All the best.